fucking wanker.
Problem?
What is your
What's
problem?
What's your fucking problem?
Tell me.
What you on about? What do you fucking want?
You nearly got me.
I nearly what?
You nearly hit me.
Well, try riding your fucking bike properly.
I am.
Yeah, you're a fucking rule onto yourselves, you lot. You're a bunch of cunts.
I am me. I'm not anybody else.
Sorted.
Get that fucking finger away from me.
And what? Or else what? Or else fucking what?
Are you going to hit me? Are you threatening me?
Are you threatening me? You're the one that fucking threatened me, pal. Get on your fucking way.
Yeah, you big fancy.
What are you on about? You swat.
The phone. Get off that phone. You shouldn't be on that.
Do you want me to knock you off your fucking bike? Jog on, you knobhead. Fuck off! Fuck off. Fuck off.
I'm reporting you to the
What are you
police.
doing cycling there? Do you know you should be on this, on
No,
that lane?
I should be on this side.
No, you nearly
undertaking.
caused an accident and I've got you on the camera in the back.
So have I. I'm reporting you to the police.
Fuck off, you prick.
You know you're wrong.
You've got no better to do, have you? People like you.
I'm around you.
People like you have got no better to do. My brother's about to die, you fucker. That's why I was on the phone.
No, you should be on that phone.
fucking legal, is he?